Getting a perfect shade of foundation was very difficult for me. It would match my skin tone in the store with the perfect lightings, but when I come home, it would be a disaster. It would look whiter on my skin and it would not be my color. And now it is more difficult than before since we are in lockdown and it is very difficult to find your online shades. Then I bought this palette. Now you all must be knowing about this palette. This is the Insight Pro Concealer palette which retails for 175 or 160 rupees. I am not sure. I think I got it for 160 rupees. It was from the Purple app. It contains 1, 2, 3 shades of concealer, 2 shades of contour and a color corrector. Now I thought, why not try to make a foundation base using these products, because one color actually matches my skin perfectly. So let's just try that. So I just tied my hair so that it will not interfere with the makeup. Now first I'm going to prime my skin. I am using the Insight primer for this. You can use any primer you want. You can even use a moisturizer, that is also fine. So after applying the primer, it is better to let it set for like 2-3 minutes and then only apply the makeup. This is the darker shade, so that I will be using as a contour. This one I will be using as my foundation shade, and this color I will be using to brighten certain areas of my face. I am going to pick the product with a flat brush and I'm going to apply over my face. So first I will start with this one. This is to help brighten certain areas, and I will apply. So the areas I want to brighten are the inner corners. Then I will pull to the side of my nose down, just under my eyes. I will just be highlighting the side of my mouth. My forehead. And over my nose. So the points where you usually highlight that areas, you can apply this. Let's not forget the chin. So I'm not applying a lot of product, I'm just picking and then I'm applying. So I just want these areas to be lifted sort of, so I will just apply out here like this. Just pull it from your eyes and upwards. Don't forget your brows also. I have these small baby hairs that just come into my face, it's very difficult to maintain it. You can see these are the areas I have highlighted. Now I am going with this color. So like I told, this is my perfect color. So my perfect shade, I am taking that and I will be applying around this color. Like all those areas where I haven't applied this color, I will be applying, except for those areas which has to be contoured. So you can just see that I am applying like a stroke and then I am just pulling it down because there is a lot of product on the brush. You don't need to use a lot of product, and I think this has pretty good coverage. I mean, for something that is so cheap, like it retails only for 175 rupees, for something like that it has a good coverage. So when I do my under eyes, you can see that it is a perfect shade. And it's very difficult to get a perfect shade. Like, not everyone is lucky to get a perfect shade. At least I don't get my perfect shade. There's a lot of mismatching, lot of mix and matching. I'm not someone who buys makeup on a regular basis, but when I buy makeup, usually the shade goes wrong. I don't know, it always happens with me. Now let us go with a darker shade and see. So I finished with the contour shade, and this is how the palette looks. These two colors are almost finished. And then I am going to blend it out. So I have blended it out, and you can see like there's still the highlight that is seen. You can even see a little of the contour. It is very mild, but you can see the contour is there. So now I'm going to take a compact powder and set it out. Next, I'm going to set the whole makeup with a setting spray. So I applied some blush and also put on a lipstick. I also did my eyebrows, and this is how the final look looks. Yes, I know it is not feasible to do a makeup like this because of the time and also having to use a lot of products. But when you have a lot of time and no foundation, maybe this product can be your answer. So I hope you like it. Well, I like how this has come out. My face feels structured. I actually have a foundation that matches my skin tone. I don't have to highlight any more points. Everything is already done. I hope you liked today's video. Until the next video, see you.